All right, y'all, we made it to the shop. As you all can see, it's a Tundra now. We're gonna go ahead and walk in. Then we got Anthony, he just pulled up.
It's cold.
For real, I got on the snow pants.
Show the people what I got on.
We got a little snow pants. We got the boots. We're gonna get inside. I don't even think nobody's gonna come today, if I'm being honest. I gotta go back to the car anyway.
You gotta go back?
Yeah, I gotta get my backpack and all that stuff.
Have you opened up the shop with them?
No.
Okay, well, I'll take you a little procedure, what we do. Once we come into BTB, what we like to do is get in, assess what we gotta do for the day. Obviously turn on the lights, and the shop's open. Blake opens up the ice room, start to get everything that we need to do for the day. Today, it's pretty cold, so I doubt anyone's gonna slide. We really just have to finish packing shoes up and getting them ready for the customers, and then we'll be good to go.
Okay, so today is November 29th, and as you all saw, we walked in the shop, we filmed a little video. insert clip of the video we made. Okay, we're back now. Here are the things that are on the agenda for today. I obviously know it's not gonna be very busy because look at this, y'all. You really think people are gonna leave their house to come in here? Come on, bro. It's supposed to snow 8 inches today, like no, but that doesn't mean we're not getting work done. What we have on the agenda today is to clean Diego's Uggs and make a video for that. I already finished recording the last part of my challenge, trying to sell the 43 pairs in 1 month. Check that video out. I'll put that somewhere up top, maybe like as a card up here or something. Outside of cleaning Diego's Uggs and recording a GoPro video for IG, we're gonna call customers to pick up their pairs, which a couple customers already slid through. Hopefully I can get like another customer to agree to be on camera. From there, we'll clean a few more shoes, Timberlands, Jordans, etc. Last but not least, I have 1 pair of shoes to box up to ship out to FedEx that I sold last night. That's probably the last pair that I will be selling in the challenge because they sold as I dropped off another pair at FedEx. That's on the agenda today. It's gonna be a shorter day. It's Saturday, so we're only open from 10:30 to 5. Yeah, we're just gonna do that. I might have Anthony check in just so y'all can see what he's doing. Let's get to it.
What's up, y'all? It's Anthony. I'm gonna show y'all our procedure and what we do when it comes to cleaning our shoes and making sure they're good for y'all. Let's grab the shoes for today. Today we gotta try to knock out good many of these pairs, get them done so we can get them all out to our customers on time before BTB leaves for the BTB vacation last work trip. This is how my setup usually looks. Getting ready to clean, minimal, and then got our lights we use so we see all the detail, dirt and grime. Like that, and that's our setup. Today, get ready to start cleaning the pairs. I think I'm gonna start off with these threes. They're cooked. Get started on these, then I'll pick up the camera once I'm done. Show y'all that real night and day difference we have here at BTB. I like to keep one lace and just the side, so I really can see the differences when one's clean and one's not. We can start on cleaning these pairs. All right, y'all, so these are the shoes I have to clean. They're Diego's. They're pretty dirty. They're not that dirty. They're more dusty than dirty. He actually got these dirty on purpose for me. I cleaned them for a vid just to show you all that we know how to clean black Uggs and black suede shoes as well. I'm gonna post y'all up, put it in a time lapse so you all can see. Then I'm gonna record the actual video on the GoPro. Let's get into it. So we finished with Diego's pair. They're really not that bad. I thought I was gonna have to clean the uppers, but most of the dirt just came out with the brush. I'm about to show y'all first. Side by side, these really weren't like that bad. They're really just the bottoms for real. Hopefully that does well. I mean, obviously I have one more step. I just gotta make them up and then obviously film that and relace them and they're good to go. All right, y'all, clean is done. We're pretty much gonna move on to other tasks throughout the day. BTB Kicks, this is Blake speaking. Yeah, y'all, it's ridiculous. The amount of snow that we have, it's crazy. But yeah, that was a customer. They're coming to pick up some shoes. It's like a family friend. 6%, good God. Let's try to call the custody. Hey, did we finish all those Air Maxes? Every pair like clean?
Yeah.
Yeah, there is a few touch-ups, so I kind of feel like
You said there's a few touch-ups?
touch-up work maybe.
Okay. After you finish whatever pair you're doing, I'll just have us wrap up the Air Maxes. So then that way we can just, like, I'm about to call him and tell him we're ready Tuesday, so then we can just be done. Okay. And then obviously we'll leave him in to ice them, but like I would rather do touch-ups first and then ice. I'm about to call him right now. Hey, that was smooth. That was smooth. I honestly thought he was about to be mad or something. That was smooth. Let's go. I might have been the last person I had to call. No, I got one more. Hey, did we ice those 13s?
What?
Yeah, they're like a size like 10 or 11. It should be order number 1625.
Yeah, they look good already.
For real?
They look white.
All right, I'm gonna tell him Tuesday then. I'm about to call him up right now.
All right, bet.
We'll fold that up right now. That was weird. It just went blank. Like it didn't even make a noise or nothing. We got one more custody. Gotta give him an update. I think he should be cool though. Whew. Now we gotta call the big custody. House fire.
Yeah, wait, somebody. Like I hit this whole bottom scrubbing.
Yeah.
Pad and ass.
Yeah, it's all good then. It's cool. All right, we gotta call one more person, technically two. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man.
They were hype.
Yeah, they're cool. They're like, okay, bet, like, yeah, just what I wanted to hear type beat. Yeah, that's a dub. We called everybody, basically. We just gotta finish everything. And then the pairs that we have left, we told them ahead of time we won't get them back. Like,
Everyone's caught up for the most part.
yeah, like even the pairs in that bin that you're like working on now, I already told him that. We're good. I'd say we should probably just focus on wrapping up pairs and like getting them all good and then we'll be straight.
Bet.
All right, y'all, so we've had a very productive day. We finished pretty much all the orders and we've wrapped up everything that is due before we go to London. Today was a good day. Like, what do you think, Anthony?
It's pretty productive. We got everything that we needed done out for the most part, and yeah, it's pretty much it. We got everything done today.
Yes, sir. Hope you all enjoyed this day in the life kind of daily vlog of the shop. I can't wait to do more for you all. This will probably be one of the last ones before we go over the pond. Hopefully you all enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.